Hi, and welcome back to the Best Reviews channel. Today, we're scrutinizing Bay Alarm Medical, a California-based company with considerable experience in the medical alert system industry. With a range of options from classic landline-based systems to modern and sleek medical alert smartwatches, there's something for everyone. All users get round-the-clock monitoring with highly trained operators who can communicate in 180 languages, plus impressive extras like fall detection and location tracking. For up-to-date info about the software and its features, pricing, and promotions, read our full review at bestreviews.net. Now, let's hear from Saskia, who will help you decide whether Bay Alarm Medical is right for you or your loved one.
Setting up Bay Alarm Medical is simple. After signing up, you soon receive your equipment, which comes with step-by-step instructions about activation. The setup takes less than 10 minutes. The landline system requires the user to connect the base unit to a power socket and landline, perform a few tests to verify the range of the wearables, and make a test emergency call. For all at-home systems, Bay Alarm Medical recommends 2 people working together for the setup. One needs to be near the base, with the other at a different location to ensure a continual connection. The other systems only need to be charged and are then activated by the emergency test call. If the system has been in use for a while, you should regularly test it by performing an emergency call and tell the team that you're just testing the service. This will reduce the chance of encountering unexpected issues when you need help the most. Monitoring is at the heart of any medical alert system, and Bay Alarm Medical doesn't disappoint. Whenever users press the help button, they are connected to one of its UL-certified monitoring centres, with dispatchers ready to help 24/7 in 180 languages. Bay Alarm Medical's simplest solution is SOS Home, which is available with landline and cellular. It features a base unit with large help button and a wearable black or white emergency button that you can insert into a neck lanyard or wristband. SOS Mobile is a pocket-friendly device with a battery life of up to 6 days and features GPS location tracking, a 2-way speaker, and an SOS button. Another bite-sized wonder providing the same features is the lightweight SOS All-in-One, which keeps its charge for up to 72 hours. The sleek SOS smartwatch also offers these features, stays charged for 1 day, and impressively, doesn't require a smartphone to function. All Bay Alarm Medical systems can have fall detection added at an extra cost. This comes as a separate pendant with some packages, while it's included in the main wearable device for others. Fall detection automatically prompts an emergency call when it identifies downward movement followed by immobility. The company goes above and beyond basic monitoring by offering essential accessories like wall buttons and a lockbox. Another great detail is Bay Alarm Medical's online control panel and mobile app for iOS and Android, which is designed mainly for caregivers. These platforms let you create an emergency plan and check payments and battery levels. Additionally, the caregiver tracking feature, exclusive to the SOS Mobile and SOS All-in-One systems, provides real-time updates on your loved one's location. Lastly, Bay Alarm Medical provides different designs for its SOS buttons. Unfortunately, despite making them appear a little like jewellery, the options are limited since each accessory has only 4 designs. One of the best things about Bay Alarm is that you're never stuck with a lengthy contract. Each plan has monthly, quarterly and annual billing options that you can cancel at any time without paying a fee. Its cheapest option is the SOS Home landline subscription. Unfortunately, it's the only system that incurs a $30 device fee for fall detection, in addition to the $10 monthly charge that all packages demand for this add-on. The SOS Home subscription doesn't require an equipment fee as the company lends the equipment. The remaining subscriptions require a single payment of $99 for SOS Mobile, $159 for SOS Smartwatch, and $119 for the all-in-one devices. Another great option is free spouse monitoring, available for in-home systems. It lets you add an additional senior to the package by only paying the fall detection button for $10 per device per month. The icing on the cake is Bay Alarm Medical's money-back guarantee, which lets you try the service for 30 days risk-free. Users seeking support can call, email, or connect with an agent via the Bay Alarm Medical website's live chat. Although the company's response time may fluctuate depending on the hour and day of the week, we were pleasantly surprised by the speedy reply we got. Other resources include a regularly updated blog to inform readers of the latest trends and developments in the industry, general tips and tricks, FAQs, unboxing and setup videos, as well as in-depth guides with everything you need to know.
Thanks, Saskia. Bay Alarm Medical's expertise is evident in everything it does. The company has a system for every type of user, and each provides continuous reliable monitoring in a vast number of different languages. Plus, it doesn't make users sign up for long-term contracts. Its mobile app provides caregiver tracking, and extras like wall buttons further enhance the convenience of the service. There are some downsides to this nearly perfect medical alert system, such as having to pay extra for equipment and fall detection, or that its wearable devices only come in limited designs. However, considering its great on-the-go systems, we find this system particularly well suited to active seniors. Explore Bay Alarm Medical and its promotions further by checking out our in-depth review, linked in the description below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to get a notification when we publish our next review. See you next time!
Thanks for watching our video review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!